Hi everyone, thanks for watching. Since we're all stuck at home, I thought we'd take the opportunity to self-care, take care of your skin, take care of your hair. Why not? We don't have anything else to do. So I will be showing you what I use as a hair mask treatment. It's the Maui Moisture. This really helps hydrate my hair. I try to do a mask once a week. This helps damaged hair, gives it a little glow, softness. Let's get to it. Oh, before we get to it, I love the ingredients in this. It's shea butter, coconut oil, and macadamia oil. It also has a blend of aloe vera. This all helps nourish your hair, keeps it hydrated, and helps with growth. I'm gonna divide my hair into two because it's just faster. I really like brushing my hair during this process because it's just, easy to brush. It's really thick. Smells lovely. And as you just take it over, start from the bottom because that's the most damaged part of my hair. My hair is really dry, so I need as much moisture as I can get. Let's do a little more. Why not? So I just, before putting the mask, I shampoo first. Always do a mask with clean hair. So at least your scalp is hydrated. You don't strip it out of its oils. Okay, now I start from the bottom and try to brush. Sometimes if it gets a little bit too tangled, I just take tinier pieces. I found a few tangled hairs. I'm just gonna add a little bit more. This will make it so much easier to brush. Now that I'm done putting it all over my hair, I'll just keep it for half an hour max or 20 minutes to go about my day. And then after that, I rinse. You can tie it up, you can put in a shower cap, you can do a facial. There's so much to do in half an hour, So I've already applied the mask, left it in for half an hour, and I just rinsed it. You can see that it's pretty shiny. I can rake my fingers through it. So the next step will be using Curl Crunch coconut oil. So this is all that I'm going to be using right now to do the half ponytail. So what I do now is divide it into two sections. Take a bit of cream. Start from the bottom because that's where I have dry ends, and then just work your way up. At the back. And now I take my brush. Can't find it. Now I take my brush. Distribute the product evenly. Now that I brushed everything through and it's filled with cream, I section the part that I want. Up to you how much of a section you want. You can either lift it higher or low. Take the hair tie and maybe 4 times. Give it a little, whenever you feel like it's tight. I'm gonna tie the bottom so it's out of the way. I'm gonna take a small section and wrap it around the hair tie so the hair tie doesn't show. Now with a bobby pin, I'm gonna clip that section. And do the same in the back. With a towel, microfiber towel, to get rid of the water and products. Ta-da! I let it dry a bit for 15 minutes, half an hour before I diffuse. You can put a little gel so it's slicked back, but I like it like this. So I let it dry for a bit before I start diffusing. I'm gonna be using the Maui Moisture oil. I usually, after a cream, I like to set my hair with gel or oil. With the diffuser, I'm just gonna go around the top. So this is the final look. It's very retro 90s, very quick to do, takes you 5 minutes, depending on what you prefer, whether it's air drying it or diffusing. This is a fun thing to do at home. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Right, Sancho? Right?